You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this philosophical statement that was made by French philosopher René Descartes, often known as its Latin version cogito ergo sum, meaning in English, I think, therefore I am. In French it is said as je pense, meaning I think, donc, meaning therefore, je suis, I am, je pense, donc je suis, je pense, donc je suis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.